So that's it. And regarding essay, like in essay, like how did you go about it? Like you choose the topic and you simply just went ahead and started writing, or there is a preparatory phase, where you draw flowcharts or something, some kind of a map, and then you start, expressing your thoughts.
Yes, sir. For essay also, you have to be pre-prepared.
Okay.
Nothing can be done on that day of the exam itself. Don't leave anything, even if you think that you're very good at it. So, in my pre-preparation phase for essay, I had made broad frameworks for general topics. For example, there is a topic of women, or education, or health, or even certain philosophical topics such as humanity or happiness. So just have a broad framework that these are the points that can be used for essay. And here also your GS notes and your ethics notes will help you. So once you have that broad framework, then whichever topic you get, you can use those frameworks in any topic. You might not use them completely, but one or two examples, one or two areas that you remember that you wrote in that aspect can be utilized. So take some time to choose your topic, have a little rough work, have a framework as to how you're going to write your essay. You get ample of time in the essay paper, so that is not an issue. In a single page, you can have a framework and then you can start writing the essay.
Okay. And how much role does students, they worry about that they come from a rural background, so they don't have that good English. So, or if English is the language of choice, so how much role does vocabulary plays in all of this?
So I think vocabulary does not play any role, and you do not have to worry if your English is not fluent. UPSC is an exam which actually checks your mental clarity or the thought process. So that thought process must be clear. It need not be with any flourish language. It just should be presented in a manner which is thoughtful, which is clear, which is neat. So I think English should not be an issue.
Okay. And is like you had talked about, like writing answer writing. So did you practice writing full essays also before your mains exam?
Yes, sir. I wrote four papers of essay,
Okay.
and I did that because one thing is very important is that while you have to work on your weaknesses, you also should strengthen your strengths. So I believe that essay and ethics could be my strengths, and so for essay I devoted a lot of time for essay. As I told you, I made notes of frameworks. Then I used to apply it in test papers of essays. So I did a lot of practice for essay.
So basically that helped you get a hang of how to convert those frameworks into
Yes, sir.
proper writings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good.